Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we will be discussing about VPC pairing. So before we start, we need to understand what is VPC pairing. So VPC pairing is required to interconnect two VPCs either in the same account and different regions or in same regions as well or into different accounts. So VPC pairing is required to allow connectivity between two separate VPCs and the resources hosted in these VPCs. So to start, let's head to the VPC dashboard. So as we can see, there are currently two VPCs created in this account. One is the default VPC and the other one is a app VPC that is created for a separate project. So we need to proceed to the peering connections tab, and this is a previous peering connection that I created, which I had deleted. So we'll go ahead and click on create a peering connection. So let's call it app peering 01, and then we need to select a requester VPC. So we will select the default VPC as requester, and we can select another account as well if we have another account and input the account ID. But since we are using the same account, so we'll choose my account, and we are using the same region as well, so we'll select this region. In acceptor ID, we will select the other VPC that we have, that is the app VPC. We can add custom tags if required, but since I'm going ahead with the default tag, that is the name tag. We'll go ahead and create the pairing connection. So as we can see, the connection is pending for acceptance and needs to be accepted. So if this connectivity, if this pairing connection were between two different accounts, so we would have to select it on the acceptor account on the other account, but since we are on the same account, we need to go here and in the actions drop down and click on accept request. So once this is done, if we go back, we can see that the new pairing connection is active now. So we have created the pairing connection. Now we need to update the route tables. So we need to go to the route tables console. We'll select the VPC, the route table associated with each VPC. So this is the route table associated with our default VPC. We can validate it from here. So we will go back to the route table, go to the route section and click on edit route. So we'll add a route here, and from VPCs we'll copy the CIDR of the second VPC. We'll use that CIDR as the destination, and in target we'll select pairing connection and the app pairing, the pairing connection that we created. We'll hit on save changes. So this way our routes are added. So now we need to perform the same setup on the other route table. So we'll go back to the route tables, second route table, edit routes. In this route table, we need to uh, use the CIDR of our default VPC as a destination. Uh, Let me fix that. Okay, so we'll do that, and okay, we already have a route added for this, and that is pointing to transit gateway. So instead of that, I'll set it up as peering connection and choose the pairing connection that we just created. Save changes. Okay, so we can see these routes are active. So we can now proceed to to any of the resources hosted in these VPCs, and the connectivity should be working fine. In case your connectivity is still not working, you need to allow from the security group the specific port or the protocol. You need to allow from the security group level. From VPC side, the connectivity is established. If you're doing this in a test account and or you're on a free tier, then it is recommended that you delete the VPC pairing and the routes after testing. Otherwise, it could incur some additional charges. So hope this helped. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you.